The former Minister of State in the Prime Minister's office, Jameson Timba, says he has received what he believes are death threats after unknown individuals allegedly left suspicious markings on the gate of his home. Sarabina Mashkubdani Kopangwana Chin's former minister reports death threats. To subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timba is a long-time opposition politician whose career spans more than 2 decades. He rose to prominence as a member of the Movement for Democratic Change (MDC), serving in various senior positions within the party during Zimbabwe's government of national unity 2009 to 2013. Formed after the disputed 2008 elections between ZANU-PF and the MDC formations, Timba was appointed Minister of State in the Prime Minister's office under then Prime Minister Morgan Tsvangirai. In that role, he worked closely with Tsvangirai in policy coordination and government reform efforts during the fragile power-sharing arrangement. Following the collapse of the GNU in 2013, Timba remained active in opposition politics, serving in leadership roles within successive MDC formations amid party splits and internal leadership disputes. He has consistently positioned himself as a constitutionalist advocating for democratic reforms, electoral transparency, and limits on presidential terms. The latest alleged threat comes at a time of heightened political debate over possible constitutional changes that critics say are designed to extend mnangagwa's beyond his current term limits. Government officials have dismissed claims of intimidation in similar past incidents, while opposition leaders argue that the threats and harassment tended to intensify during periods of political contestation. As of now, there has been no official statement from law enforcement authorities regarding the markings reported at Timba's residence. However, the incident has raised fresh concerns about political intolerance and safety of opposition figures in Zimbabwe, the increasingly polarized political environment. Toma developments are kuda panguva ino Timba achiripota threats anoona pagedhi pake pachiswa max zvamuri kuona in the video. Pina comment section medu dzafunguro enyu matikudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.